Hey there, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, this is a presentation about Pizza Hut, and I have used only Morph transition in this video. Let me show you how to make this video. But first of all, what you have to do is subscribe my channel. So let's start. First of all, open up a blank slide. Go to Insert tab and Pictures, and I have provided the logo link in the description and all the assets below. You can download the logo from there. I'm using the logo and I'm gonna decrease its size and put it onto the top. Now let's go to icons and let's search for home, and I'm gonna decrease this icon size and I'm gonna change its color using eyedropper as similar to the logo's red color. I'm gonna put it right here and I'm gonna add a rounded cornered rectangle. Go to graphic fill and remove its outline and give it this gray color. That's it. And now what I'm gonna do is adjust all of the shapes. Now go to insert tab, icons, and search for search. And you have to insert this icon and decrease its size and put it right into the search bar. Let's change its color to red as well, and that goes there. Alright, now let's add a text box and add other contents like specialties and orders and contact number, and that's all you have to do. Like other websites have these things, so the next thing you're gonna do is put it right here and duplicate the text, and what you're gonna do is add your different text, and that are all the headers we had to insert. Go to insert tab and shapes and add a small line like this. Go to graphics fill and you're gonna give it a width of 2pt, and let's move it right here, change its color to red, and move it onto the extreme right of the template. Now duplicate it 2 times and put them right here in similar directions and in similar pattern. So there you go. Now select it and adjust it. So let me just move it onto top and select all of these and adjust them as well onto the left side. Add a text box right here and I'm gonna write in it today's special, and let's bold it and increase its size, and that goes right here. Let me just duplicate it and let's give the name of the pizza, like what flavor it is and what's its name. I'm gonna use cheese, and yeah, cheese special. I'm gonna use cheese super. Yeah, that looks great. Go to insert tab and increase the text size like this, and I'm gonna increase its size, yeah, like this. And let's just select cheese and give it this red color, and let's put the content text right here and adjust the text like they I'm gonna put them really super close, and let's move them upwards. That's it. Now go to insert tab and add a big circle right here. Increase its size to 20, and now both height and width are gonna be 20. There you go. Let's put it right here, remove its outline, and give it this red color. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is add the pictures of the pizza, and I'm gonna use 4 pizzas. So let me just increase their size and remove these other contents. If you wanna add them, you can also add them. But right now I am not gonna add them. So what you're gonna do is put the pizzas onto the circle right here like this. And yeah, that's all you had to do. Now select all of them and put them right here onto the slide, and you have to rotate them. And what you'd have to do is select all the pizzas and adjust them. Now let's select all of them and right click on them and group them. Yeah, like this. And the circle goes here. And the next thing I'm gonna do is move them right here and rotate it a little bit so that the pizza I'm gonna make this template about that comes first, and I have written the name about comes onto the slide. Now duplicate the pizzas and let's decrease their size a little bit and put them right here. Select all of them and decrease their size more and put them right here, and select them as well and decrease more size. So let's put them right below the headers and I'm gonna put them in a specific pattern that the first pizza that comes will be first. So let's go to shapes and add a little one rounded cornered rectangle white hair down this first pizza because first template is regarding this pizza. So I'm gonna change this color to red and that goes there. Now we're finished with this template. Duplicate the template and select this circle on both the pizza and rotate it. Then the second pizza comes onto the template. Now I'm gonna change the header because this pizza is really different from the first pizza. Now I'm gonna move this small line right below the second pizza as well. That's all you had to do in this template. Let me just adjust it. So we're finished with this template as well. Now we're gonna duplicate it again. Select both pizzas and the circle and move them right here. And we're gonna rotate it and let's change the title of this template like what pizza it is about. I'm gonna use a different name. So don't be sure don't to use these names because these are just artificial made I have made. Now let's move this line below the third pizza because we're on the third slide. And now duplicate the template and select the pizza and the circle and rotate them again. And change the header again. And there it goes. And move this little line below this fourth pizza. And that's all you had to do. Select all the templates, go to transitions and give morph transition. Now, what you're gonna do is go to first slide and select all the content and duplicate the slide and go to first slide and move the text onto the left side. But be sure to move this header onto the more left side and the content onto the more left side. And we're gonna move these pizzas like here, right here down below. And let's move the first pizza a little bit up and the other a little bit down and down and down. That it makes a step. Move the logo onto the top and select all the other contents and move them onto the top in a stair pattern that one of them is below and the other is above and the other is more above that one. So this will create a more cinematic and animation and transition style. So let me just put this right here, select the circle and the pizza and move them onto the right side because that's how it looks better. There you go. And that's all you had to do. Now give morph to all the templates and this is the final result. Be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel for more amazing videos like these. See you in another video because that's all we had to do today. And you can download this template from free from the description link below.